I'm Andy Mudd with Pro-Vac Chimney Sweeps, and I'm going to give you a demonstration on a wood stove cleaning. And this is a wood stove that has a secondary burn system that's an upper plate. Many of the stoves that I clean have a secondary burn system. If you have, for instance, like a Vermont Castings, many of the secondary burn systems are vertical in the back of the stove, and those systems need to be cleaned out, can accumulate a lot of ash. This has a secondary plate on top that I'm going to drop down so that I can access the chimney from the bottom up. So let's go ahead and get going on this guy and show how we clean a standard wood stove with a horizontal secondary burn system.